So cool. It gives a little bit of hint of shimmery, but it's not taking away from the color I have. And then we're gonna go ahead and using condensed glue gels again. And we're gonna using is just a good amount. If you want to add more, absolutely. If you're using this like more crystal or bigger size of the crystal, or if you're doing a 3D crystals, I would suggest you getting the extra thicks. So then that way you're gonna hold your crystal really well. And with extra thick, you want to make sure you're curing like for 2 minutes to make sure they're all going to cure completely for you. All right, floating the no wipe top coat right on the top of condensed glue gel is not only a double secure grab your crystals, also is going to completely finish when you are done. So then you won't have to worry about it's going to be a tacky layers just running around there. So this one, I'm so in love with this. I love the charm too. I'm not sure, should I do the charms or not? Maybe I should do, huh? Do you think? Randomly? Look. I'm gonna do a mermaid theme, okay? You can do a different one because we have a lot of crystal designs, fun design. I'm gonna do this one for you. So what mermaid is had the purple though? Do you know? Do you know? Mermaids had the... No, I think with the nails that we did this yesterday.
That could be the tail. The tail.
I love...
It's like just a really fashionable mermaid that just wants a different color on the tail.
I think it's one of the mermaid we did a chamfer for you that had the purple. I might be wrong. Hold on, let me move them here.
So it's just like how you wear a purple pant instead of a jean. She won her purple tail with some charm on it.
Okay, well, and then I'm gonna do, it's like kind of a diagonals like this. Okay, you can do however you would like. I really like this one. I'm gonna add some on this, and then I am going to work all of more crystal on, and I'm gonna add some fillers on this one right here. And then we have the fillers right here on the my side right here. You can see it's going from size SS3 to SS4 all the way to SS20. I'm filling it on. And you can also add some beads on, okay? Can beads on, however it make you happy. And you know what? I'm using it the Ultimate Crystal Kit AB, but you know what? This is gonna look really good with, guess what happened? This will be really good with the Ultimate Crystal Kits, like all bling in the war. You haven't get chance to get one, have a hands on that one to like experience the one. Check them out. I'm gonna show you what it is because it looks really cool. So I just giving the, I like to do all different varieties. So then whoever loves AB, here you go. That is your designs. Whoever like Ultimate Crystal Kits, you can all bling in the wars. You can using that as well. All right, this looks really good. It's coming along. And it's really cool. And all you need to do is just fill them in wherever gap that you want to. This one is getting the way. Here we have a whole treasure right here. I mean, I'm looking, I just saw the starfish. That's why I was looking for. I said, I missed the starfish. So where's she gonna be now? Okay, let her put her in right here. Because she's kind of late to the party. Okay. You know what? I love it, so I'm adding up more on because this nails is just solid nails. And the colors. So that's why I can do it like angle like this. But hey, if you want to be shorter, smaller, it depends on the length of the nails. You can go shorter, longer, more, thicker. However you would like. I just give it some preference. Okay, now I'm gonna fill in all the beads along with whatever gap that you want to fill in. I feel like this nails is got falling into the treasure, like deep in the sea. All right, so I'm gonna fill it in. But hey, if you don't want any beads, absolutely just skip the beads part and go to the good part. But this is a good part too. Thanks so much everyone for tuning in, hanging out with me. For all just stopping by, or for a lot of you are stopping by, welcome, welcome. For a lot of you are really full investment in yourself, your career. Congratulations, you are in the right path. You are in the right place and in the right path. All right, I'm gonna add some more. You can continue however you want. You can even bling out whole nails. It's up to you. You having fun with this, and don't limit of your potential. Don't limit of your creativity. Do it with no hesitation. It's sparkle though. You can add some other colors on if you want to. But I think I'm so obsessed with this, and I am. Look like I'm feeling all. So here's the keys. You will never go wrong with the crystal placement, especially when you're using the crystal trifecta. You will never be afraid of, oh my god, it's gonna set on me, it's gonna dry, and my crystal is not even there, and the glue's already dry. This isn't on dry at all until yours going to set it here under the LED light. All you need to do is to add all your crystal is really close and tight together, as long as they are close and really connect together. So it doesn't matter whatever shape you are going to place them together. They always turn out really nice and the way you want it. Okay, make sure they are connecting tight together like a chain. All right. Are you happy now? You want more?
That should be plenty.
All right. Look at it closer. All right. It looks so sparkle though.